Hello friends, Drew here in beautiful West Grove, Pennsylvania, continuing on the deck. Michael and German cranking things out here on the rain escape system. They've got the trough funnels put in, and they're going to drop down into a rain gutter, which we have to mount here shortly, and then put in all of the trough bellies so that they funnel the water that gets through the deck boards down into these funnels, which will drop down into the rain gutter and underneath. So there's a lot of pre-cutting and shaping and getting these so they're pitched the right direction so the water flows where it needs to, and then putting all the proper flashing around the post so that everything in here, the system, winds up in those funnels when we're all said and done. So process is just getting started. We got a ways to go. I'll show you what it looks like from underneath. So here's the underneath view. We've got those funnels dropping down, and then we will mount a rain gutter on the back side of this 2x4, which will catch all the water coming out of those troughs. It's going to direct it to a downspout on this end of things, down to the ground and out. So you can kind of see the whole piece. We got our rain gutter sitting here ready to go, and we're also going to rework this rain gutter. You see how that's crooked. The downspout used to be on the back side of the house, and so they had 𝗷𝘂𝘀𝘀 running down the side. And because of where our deck is going to wind up, we thought it made a little bit more sense to move that downspout onto the side of the house. But it looks kind of copper-mamie because of where that hole is. So we've got a new section of gutter to put up there where we can drill a hole in the correct location, so it's going to line up correctly to come down and drop down the side of the house like it's supposed to. So there is some prep work that goes into making sure that this is done correctly. And so it takes a little bit of time. We're like, man, it feels like nothing's happening, but there's a lot of behind the scenes and underneath work that has to happen in order to get the rain escape in system in properly before we can picture frame the deck and then start laying our deck board. So that's where we're at. A couple more days left on this project, and we'll be ready to show you some after pictures. We'll keep the videos coming as we go. If there's something that we can help you with, 𝗗𝘁'𝘀 is your full service construction and renovation company and a Pennsylvania home improvement contractor, number 88078. Whether you want us to build you your custom dream house, an addition, a garage, remodel your kitchen, make over your bathroom, finish your basement, handle any of those exterior repairs, roofing, siding, windows, doors, decks, all of your interior electrical, plumbing, drywall, spackle, painting, flooring, whatever it is with your house. Give our team a call. Our dedicated staff's available weekdays 9:30 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon at 484-748-0008. Choose option 2 for 𝗗𝘁'𝘀 Construction and Renovation, and extension 2 for new projects, and our team will be happy to assist you. Of course, the fastest way to reach us is through our Facebook page, facebook.com/𝗗𝘁'𝘀. Just search for 𝗗𝘁 Construction and Renovation. Hit that message us button there at the top. Send us a picture of what's going on at your house, and our team will be happy to get started working on a virtual estimate for you so that we can get you on the schedule and set up a proposal visit if that's the next step that we need to take. If you're watching us here on YouTube today, please hit that subscribe button, mash that little bell so you get the notifications whenever we post a new video, so you can keep up to speed on all the new stuff happening here at 𝗗𝘁'𝘀 Construction and Renovation. Remember, we're finished with your project. You're going to be proud to say it's not just done, it was 𝗗𝘁'𝘀. We'll see you guys later. Thanks for joining us. Bye for now.